Hello, friends! We are the OT family. We help make many fun words. Come, let's meet our OT friends. Hello, friends. I am a cot. C-O-T, cot. Can you say it with me? Cot. Cot. Hello, friends. I am a dot. D-O-T, dot. Such a tiny little dot.
Hello, friends. I am a lot. L-O-T. Lot. Hello, friends. I am got. G-O-T, got. I got something special.
Hello, friends. I am hot. H-O-T, hot. Careful. Hot means very warm.
Hello, friends. I am a tot. T-O-T, tot. Tot means a tiny child.
Hello, friends. I am not. N-O-T. Not means no. Hello, friends. I am a pot. P-O-T, pot. I can hold many things.
Hello, friends. I am a jot. J-O-T. Jot.
Hello kids, today we learned OT family words. Now let's trace the words together. Trace word cot slowly and neatly. C-O-T. Now trace word dot. D-O-T. Nice work. Let's trace word lot. L-O-T. Keep your line straight. Now trace word got carefully. G-O-T. Excellent. Trace word hot carefully. H-O-T. Great job. Now trace word tot. T-O-T. Slow and steady. Trace word not neatly. N-O-T. Excellent. Let's trace word pot. P-O-T. Beautiful writing. Finally, trace word jot. J-O-T. Amazing work, kids.
Hello, friends. I am a traffic cone. I stand on roads to guide cars. See my cone shape, tall and pointy.
Hello, I am a carrot. I have a cone shape. I am round at the bottom and pointy at the top.
Hi, friends. I am a birthday cap. People wear me during birthday parties. I look like a cone.
Hello, I am an ice cream cone. People love to eat me as a treat. I am yummy and cone-shaped. This is sweet. Love ice cream.
Hi, I am a tower toy. Children play with me and stack me up. I also have a cone shape.
We all have the same shape.
We all have the same shape.
Can you guess what it is?
Hello, bachcho. All these objects have a cone shape. A cone has one round base and one pointed top. Say it with me. Cone. Now let's look again at the objects. The carrot is pointy at the top. The traffic cone stands on a round base. The birthday cap goes up to a sharp point. The ice cream cone holds ice cream on top. The tower toy becomes pointy as it goes up. That is why all of them are cone-shaped objects. Now it's your turn. Look around your home. Can you find something that looks like a cone? Excellent work, children. Keep observing shapes around you.
Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn some fun odd words. Are you ready? Let's start. Hello, I am an odd nod. Listen, odd, odd. Nod, nod, nod. When I say yes, I nod. Hi, I am pod. Say it, odd, pod. I carry peas inside me. Hello, I am sod, sod. Listen carefully, odd sod. I am green grass. Hi, I am cod, cod. Say it, odd cod. I am a fish.
Hello, I am Rod. Listen, odd, Rod. I help people hold things.
Hello, I am God. Say it softly. God.
Hi, I am Todd. Listen, odd, Todd. I am a fox.
Hello, I am Hod. Say it odd, Hod. I carry bricks.
Hello, bachcho. Very good. Did you hear the sound? All these words end with the same sound, odd. Say it with me, odd. Let's learn how we make this sound. Letter O plus letter D is odd. Odd. Now say with words. Nod, pod, sod, cod. Very good, kids. Now children, trace all the odd words on the page. Follow the dotted lines carefully. Say each word while tracing. Write neatly and slowly.
Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn about beautiful flowers. Let's see some lovely flowers. Hello, I am a rose. I smell very sweet. People use me to show love.
Hello, I am a lotus. I grow in water. I am a very beautiful flower.
Hi, I am a marigold. People use me for decorations and puja.
Hello, I am a sunflower. I always turn towards the sun. Hi, I am a tulip. I come in many bright colors.
Hello, I am a lily. I smell very nice and look elegant.
Hi, I am a daisy. I have white petals and a yellow center. Hello, I am jasmine. I smell very sweet. People use me to make garlands. We are beautiful flowers. We make the world colorful.
Hello, bachcho. These are different types of flowers. Flowers are very beautiful and colorful. They grow on plants and make our surroundings look nice. Flowers have different colors, sweet smell, and different shapes. Some flowers are used for decoration, worship, and making garlands. Let's name them again. Rose, lotus, marigold, sunflower, tulip, lily, daisy, jasmine. Very good. Which flower do you like the most, kids? Great job!
Hello, I am an orchid plant. I grow beautiful orchid flowers. I need care and water to grow. Hi, I am a hibiscus plant. I grow big red flowers. People use my flowers for worship. Hello, I am a dahlia plant. I grow flowers with many petals. I make gardens look bright and colorful. Hi, I am a gerbera plant. I grow colorful flowers. My flowers are used in bouquets.
Hello, bachcho. These are flower plants. Flowers grow on plants, not by themselves. A plant has roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. Flowers grow on the plant. Plants need water, sunlight, soil to grow healthy and give us flowers. Let's name the flower plants. Orchid plant, hibiscus plant, dahlia plant, gerbera plant. Do you have a flower plant at home? Take care of plants and water them daily. Very good. Let's grow more plants.
Hello, friends. I am 21. My number name is 21. TWENTYONE.
Hello, bachcho. Let's count these balls together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Very good. We counted 21 balls. So the number is 21. The number name of 21 is TWENTYONE. Great job, bachcho. Today we learned number 21, 21. Keep practicing counting at home.
Hello, I am an apple tree. I grow apples on my branches. Hi, I am a mango tree.
I give sweet mangoes.
Hello, I am a pomegranate tree. I grow juicy pomegranates.
Hi, I am an orange tree. I grow fresh oranges. Hello, I am a strawberry plant. I grow small red strawberries. Hi, I am a pineapple plant. I grow a big pineapple. Hello, I am a grapevine. I grow bunches of grapes.
Hi, I am a watermelon plant. I grow big watermelons on the ground.
We are fruits. We grow on trees, plants, and vines.
Hello, bachcho. Fruits grow on different types of plants. Some fruits grow on trees, apple, mango, orange. Some grow on plants, strawberry, pineapple. And some grow on vines, grapes, watermelon. Fruits are healthy, tasty, and good for our body. Which fruit do you like the most? Great job, bachcho. Eat fruits and stay healthy.
Hello, I am a plum tree. I grow juicy plums on my branches. Hi, I am a guava tree. I give tasty guavas.
Hello, I am a peach plant. I grow soft and sweet peaches.
Hi, I am a banana plant. I grow bunches of bananas.
Hello, bachcho. These fruits grow on trees and plants. Let's name them plum, guava, peach, banana. Which fruit do you like? Great job, bachcho. Eat fruits and stay healthy.